Here is a quick start video to get you started on your Hardie Fine Texture Cladding installation in as little time as possible. In this video, we will cover the basics of installation as used in the direct fix method. Before we get started, always remember to check the latest version of the installation guide, which is available at jameshardie.com.au, as this has all the details you need for your specific installation, including cavity construction details, flashing details, as well as fixings for coastal and high wind areas. Now, let's get going. Plan the joint layout to ensure the most efficient and aesthetically pleasing installation. One possible option here is to center either a panel or a shiplap joint and work outwards from there. Keep in mind that the edges of the panels need to be fully supported, so there needs to be a stud where the shiplap joints are located. Finally, ensure your frame is straight and has no more than 4 mm of tolerance over 3 meters. Fix your Hardie weather barrier in place and place 50 mm EPDM foam back sealing tape on the stud where the shiplap joints will be located. It's time to fix the accessories. Fix your corners in first, making sure they run 60 mm past the bottom plate, and then fix in the base trim. The accessories should be fixed at a maximum of 300 mm centers and maintain appropriate ground clearance. If using the slimline corner, you'll need to cut the base trim as well as the board at 45 degrees, so they fit the slimline corner. And if using the external square corner, just use a standard straight 90-degree cut on the panels and accessories. Now, we cut and fix the panels. The panels should be cut using a plunge cut saw and M-class or higher vacuum. And the panels should be fixed using Hardie joint sealant along the shiplap edges and ND50 stainless steel brads at 125 mm centers on the panel face for wind classification areas up to N3/C1. These brads are designed to be flush finished and will disappear into the texture once the wall is painted. Any underdriven nails can be easily hand finished, and this is more efficient than patching holes left by overdriven nails. To be on the safe side, you might want to set your gun so the brads are slightly underdriven, then hand finish if need be. Level up. If the height of your job means you'll be going up higher than one panel, use the Hardie horizontal express jointer to join the two panels. This acts as a flashing and slips over the lower panels using a bead of joint sealant, and is then fixed in the same way as the other accessories. Clean up and paint. Check the joints for any excess sealant and wipe away with a rag dipped in warm soapy water. And now you're ready to paint using your choice of standard exterior paint.